Well, hello, hope you are all doing well. Well, before understanding phonetics and phonology, first of all, we must understand what is linguistics. Linguistics is a major subject. Then these phonetics and phonology are the kinds, or we can say the sub-kinds, the fields of this subject. First of all, I will explain this term linguistics. That what is linguistics? According to my perception, linguistics is the scientific study of languages, and linguistics aims to understand how the language faculty of the mind works, or how the language itself works. Means the language faculty of the mind, how does it work? Apart from this, then we further categorize linguistics in several categories, like as it has been shown over here. Grammar is one of its parts, syntax is also its parts, and we are having several parts which we are not discussing about, but we are discussing one part of linguistics that are known as phonetics and phonology. Now let's discuss what is phonetics and what's phonology and how it belongs to linguistics. First of all, let me explain what is phonetics and then what is phonology. If I talk about phonetics, it means the study of the acoustic of sound speech, or in simple words, if I say the study of speech sounds, the process of speaking and the process of hearing. In these two processes, the sound is produced. So these speech sounds are known as phonetics. Now come towards phonology. What is phonology? Secondly, phonology is the study of sound patterns. In simple words, phonology is the study of sound patterns, or we can say how the language is displayed or showed in patterns. Now come towards phonetics and phonology. We further categorize this one into categories. One we take in alphabets. We are having 26 alphabets in English language. Right after that, we are having 44 sounds as well. But there are two categories. If I talk about alphabets, then after alphabets, the combination of alphabets are known as words. Then the combination of words becomes sentences. The combination of sentences becomes paragraphs. The combination of paragraphs obviously becomes essays. So in such a way, so here I am not talking about alphabets. You must note this point. I am only talking about 44 sounds. When I talk about 44 sounds, so we have been learning since childhood that there are 26 alphabet A, B, C, D, but here 44 sounds. What does it mean by 44 sounds? So here is a bit confusion aroused. Now let me clarify this confusion over here, that we further divide these 44 sounds into categories. The first category are known as vowels, and the second is consonants. Here I am not talking about consonant alphabets or vowel alphabets. I am talking about consonant sounds as well as vowel sounds. Alphabet has been, this category is left over here. So if I talk about vowels, now here the question again arises that what are vowels and what are consonants, why we divide it into categories. Here in simple words, if I say the airflow which comes from our lungs and comes out through our mouth, whenever this airflow is not blocked anywhere within the mouth or within the larynx, pharynx or vocal folds, the air comes freely. The produced sound are known as vowels. But whenever the airflow is blocked somewhere or it's impeded, then these sounds are known as consonants. Now let me give some examples of consonant sounds as well as vowel sounds. The examples of vowel sound, like we can say a, e, u, sound is just coming freely. Now if I talk about consonants, in consonants we are having some examples like p, b, k, g. Everywhere I am blocking the sounds, then leaving it abruptly. So then the produced sounds are known as consonants. So now we further categorize these 22 sounds of vowels as well as 22 sounds of consonants in further categories. First of all, if we discuss about vowels, then we are having short vowels, in which we are having 6 short vowels, we are having 5 long vowels, then we are having diphthongs, means we are having 8 diphthongs, and schwa sound, we are having 1 schwa sound, so it will be 20. Now come towards consonant sounds. In consonant sounds we are having 24 consonant sounds. In those 24 we are having plosive or stop consonants, so we are having over here 8 consonants. Then we are having fricatives, affricatives, literal or liquid sound, nasal sound, as well as semi vowels. I will be explaining these all one by one. Similarly, these all vowels one by one, but this was just a general introduction what phonetics and phonology is. Now apart from this, if we discuss about further that how the language faculty of the mind works, so this will be explained in another video. Okay.